Stop scrolling. If your shorts are stuck at 0 to 10 views, it is not because your content is bad. It is because YouTube thinks you are a bot. When you create a new channel and immediately start spamming videos, the algorithm flags you as spam. In this video, I am going to reveal the human protocol. This is a secret strategy to unblock your views and force the algorithm to trust you in just 7 days. No one talks about this. Listen carefully. The secret part 1. Old account magic. First, let's talk about the foundation. I ran an experiment. Channel A, created with a brand new Gmail. Channel B, created with an old Gmail with history. The result? Channel B got 10 times more views instantly. Why? Because YouTube trusts history. A new account looks suspicious. An old account looks like a real user. The fix: if you have an old Gmail account that you use to watch videos, prioritize that account for your channel. The trust score is already high. The secret part 2. The human protocol. But what if you only have a new account? Or your old account is dead? You need to use the human protocol. You need to prove to the AI that you are a human, not a script. Here is the strategy. For the next 7 days, you need to watch content on this account for 4 to 5 hours a day. I know you're thinking, hey, I don't have 5 hours. Here is the hack. You don't have to sit and stare at the screen. Just open a long playlist, a podcast, or a gaming stream in your niche and let it run in the background while you work, study, or sleep. This builds massive watch history. When a heavy user uploads a video, the algorithm treats it with respect. Why are we doing this? To trigger one specific metric: stayed watched. When the algorithm trusts you, it shows your video to the right audience. If they watch, your stayed watched percentage goes above 70%. And that is when you go viral. Without the human protocol, you will never find that audience. Now you have the strategy. You know how to build trust. But be careful. Even with this trust, if your channel settings are wrong, you will destroy everything. One wrong click on the Made for Kids button or the wrong category, and this strategy fails. I am going to show you with proof the perfect viral settings and the new monetization rules in my next video. You need those settings to make money. So, subscribe right now and turn on the bell icon. Comment, "I am human" below if you are going to try this strategy. See you in the next one.